Let me show you how to manage widgets on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So first of all, if you want to add a widget to the home screen, you can simply press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen so that we have this edit mode. And at the bottom, we can go to widgets. As you can see, we have some example widgets here at the tab, but you can scroll down in order to find the list of all apps that have widgets as well. So we can tap on any of these apps in order to find some options. If you like a widget, then you can either tap on it and press add so that the widget can be added to the first available space. Or you can press and hold your finger on the widget and then you will be redirected to the home screen after a second or so. And then as you can see, we can place our widget pretty much anywhere we wish it to be. You can go to the next and previous page as well. And there we go, we have our widget created. Now, as you can see, we have those corners highlighted, and that is because in this case at least, we can also resize the widget. So if you decided to make it smaller, then you can still drag it around in order to change the size. So there are different sizes possible, and it all depends on how the widget is created by developers. So in some cases, you cannot change the size of the widget at all, so keep that in mind. Now, besides that, you can also create a stack of widgets. So we can press and hold the finger on the widget that we have over here, and then we have create stack. And what it does is that you can add multiple widgets, multiple different widgets that will be in the same place as the one that we already have. And we can just simply swipe between them so that we do not use that much space on different widgets. Now the catch is that in order to create the stack, all these widgets that you plan to put in the same place must be the same size. So in that case, the widget that I added before was 4x2. So I am looking for a similar widget. So for example, over here, I have this widget that is 4x2, but I'm gonna actually use this one, for example. So I can just tap on it and press add. And now I can swipe between these different widgets. And of course, you can add multiple different widgets. You don't have to limit yourself to 2 widgets only. Now, if you want to, for example, change the position of the widget, then of course you can just press and hold and then drag it and place it anywhere, and the whole stack will also be moved as well. You can press and hold on a stack in order to remove everything at once. So if you want to remove the whole stack, then you can press remove all over here. If you want to remove a single widget from the stack, then you can go to edit stack over here, and you can tap on this minus button. And I believe you can also reposition these widgets as well. So as you can see, you can change the order pretty easily as well, and you can keep adding new widgets as well. If you have a single widget, then in that case, if you press and hold, then you should be able to find the remove option as well. So this is how we can also remove widgets. And that is about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!